Hey guys, this is my empty house tour. I will be just showing you kind of around the house. Sorry, I'm pretty sick, so yeah. Anyway, this is the kitchen, obviously. I really like it. The white countertops, or the white cabinets with the tan countertops. Over here is the laundry room. It has a sink, which is something that my mom really likes. Half bath, pretty normal. Here's the garage. I don't know why I did not open the door, but yeah. There's my mom and the realtor. And out there is the yard, fireplace, built-in cabinets. And this one will be my room. Interesting, but you know what that means? A DIY room, big tour thing. Here's a bathroom. Here's my sister's room. Bathroom. This will be the one that me and my sister are sharing. Toilet, tub, shower. Going back out into the main living area. There are the stairs right here. Upstairs will be our brother's room. Inside, slowly get up the stairs. Right ahead, there's just a little storage closet. And to the right over here is my brother's room. This is the only part that's upstairs. This is his room. There's a bathroom. Yep. And that's pretty much it for upstairs. I do open the door when I come up here. With this one, it's a closet. But when we get back in, I do open the door and it is just like an attic space. It's like, oh, okay, I eat and then I slowly walk back downstairs because I'm slow. And here is the sunroom area. If I could get the door open, and then you walk out and here's your backyard. Our mom is planning on putting a pool back here once we get moved in and settled. Obviously it's pretty. Hey, so I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. I'm not showing my face because I'm sick and I don't feel good, but I will obviously be posting a room tour and redo my room with me kind of a thing. So if you're looking forward to that, or if you're redoing your room, subscribe and hit that bell so you get all the notifications and everything. Love you guys. Bye.